Weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Knox, Marion, Morrow, Richmond, and Wyandotte. High wind warning in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. The wind advisory is no longer in effect. Winds west to northwest increasing to 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing: winds will increase this afternoon and continue into the evening. The strongest, potentially damaging, winds will occur as the wind shifts to the northwest. Impacts: driving high-profile vehicles will be difficult. Damage to trees, power lines, and property are possible. A high wind warning is issued when sustained winds of 40 miles per hour are expected for at least an hour, with gusts of 58 miles per hour or greater at any time. Damage to trees, power lines, and property are possible with wind of this magnitude. If you have a high-profile vehicle, be extra careful until the wind subsides. Stay tuned to Weather Radio for further details or updates.
A weather message.